Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about the latest ways to make money online. Today, I have an exciting new method to share with you all that can help you earn money with AI-generated articles. Yes, you heard that right. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right into it. First of all, let's understand what AI-generated articles are. AI-generated articles are articles that are created by artificial intelligence algorithms. These algorithms use machine learning and natural language processing techniques to generate high-quality content. Now, the question is, how can you make money with AI-generated articles? Well, the answer is simple: by selling them to website owners, bloggers, and content marketers. There is a huge demand for high-quality content in the online world, and website owners are always looking for ways to improve their content and rank higher in search engines. One of the best platforms to sell AI-generated articles is through a website called ContentBot. ContentBot is a platform that uses AI algorithms to create high-quality articles for its customers. As a freelance writer on ContentBot, you can earn money by creating articles for their customers. The process is simple. You create a free account on contentbot.com and apply to become a freelance writer. Once your application is approved, you can start creating articles for their customers. The best part is that you don't need to be an expert in any particular niche. ContentBot's algorithms will generate the article for you based on the keywords and topic provided by the customer. As a freelance writer on ContentBot, you can earn up to $50 per article. And if you can create articles quickly and efficiently, you can make even more money. The more articles you create, the more money you earn. So, that's it guys. That's how you can make money with AI-generated articles. It's a simple and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. If you are interested in signing up for ContentBot and giving it a try, I have left a link in the description below. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.